Ever been locked out of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y because your phone died or wasn't nearby? Genuine Tesla keycards offer a simple, reliable backup that keeps you in control without hassle. These replacement keycards come brand new, never programmed, and ready to pair with your vehicle. Plus, they ship quickly from Florida, so you won't be waiting long to regain easy access. What you get are 2 authentic Tesla keycards and a stylish bifold wallet designed for convenient carrying. The wallet keeps your keycards safe and organized, making entry and operation effortless. When your phone is low on battery or out of reach, just tap your keycard on the pillar next to the driver's window to lock or unlock. Starting your Model 3 or Model Y is just as straightforward. Tap the card behind the cup holders and press the brake pedal. It's a seamless process that works every time, without relying on your phone. Setting up these keycards is straightforward. If you already have a keycard, programming the new ones is free and done right through your car's touchscreen by tapping the car icon and navigating to General. No extra trips or fees needed. If you don't have an existing keycard, a quick visit to a Tesla service center will get you programmed for about $45. That's a small price for peace of mind and uninterrupted access. Here's why this matters: your Tesla keycard is more than just a backup. It's a reliable tool for sharing temporary access with valets or friends without handing over your phone. It works instantly and securely, giving you control over your vehicle's entry and operation. Plus, with fast shipping and genuine Tesla quality, you're getting exactly what you expect, no compromises. If you're considering a replacement or a backup for your Tesla keycards, this set is worth a look. It matches the original Tesla keycards perfectly and arrives fast, so you're never caught off guard. Easy to set up, easy to use, and designed for Tesla owners who want convenience without fuss. Try it when you're ready. Adding genuine Tesla keycards to your setup means you're prepared for anything: phone dead, valet service, or sharing access. Don't wait until you're locked out. Order now and experience hassle-free Tesla entry and operation with genuine, fast shipping keycards.